Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech command prompt video. In this video we're going to continue looking at the ipconfig utility, and in the last video we looked at it to see what our IP addresses were and our network configurations were. In this video we're going to look at a couple of the options for network maintenance. One is the ability to release that dynamic IP address and then renew it. So if you do an ipconfig/release, it will release that dynamic IP address, and you can see now I don't have anything for my Ethernet adapter. By releasing it and then following it with a renew, I will be able to renew or get back an IP address. If I'm having trouble with my IP addressing, sometimes releasing and renewing the IP address will go back to the DHCP server and get a new IP address, or properly re-register that IP address. If I add the /all now, and I look at that adapter, you'll see that right now it's 4:04 p.m. and my lease was obtained at 4:04 p.m. Well, it expires now at 4:04 on Friday of this week. Now, another utility lets us see what's in our DNS, and if we're having trouble getting to some websites but not others, the cache of the websites we've gone to and their IP addresses may have gotten corrupted. So if I do an ipconfig/display DNS, it will show me all of the entries. You can see there are a lot of them from any websites I've recently went to. I can look through and see if something looks wrong. Generally, you won't be able to see anything, but if you do a flush DNS, that will clear that DNS. If I now immediately display it, you can see it's a lot shorter. These are things that, because I do have a web browser open, that web browser automatically went to, and in the case of the Adobe, it probably was not my web browser, it was probably my Adobe software checking in, but all those were requested very quickly. Now, if you need to know more about these network settings and all, there are other videos, networking videos and other playlists that will help you with those. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.